Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So for today I'm going to create this database we have been talking about in previous episodes. So in previous episode I have been explaining to you how that system of primary keys and foreign keys works, and now you are going to see how that looks in practical example. Now I have created one simple database, and I'm going to create our first table. And first table that we are actually going to create is this cashier, like this. Integer, not null, primary key, auto increment, unique, and I'm going to name this field cashier ID, and yeah, okay. Second field is going to be name, and is going to be text. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Third field is going to be second name, type text 2, and for the sake of simplicity I am going to stop now. I'm not going to do this date of birth and hometown because it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, now we have cashier table. Now I would like to create item tables. First I'm going to create those tables that have no foreign keys. And now item, and first field is going to be item ID. Okay, and second field item name, going to be text. Third field is gonna be units, also text, and finally price is going to be real. And of course I have created this table. And if we have to follow this example, now we would create this build table, but I want to change things a little bit. I want to make this database much better. So I'm going to create this transaction table first. And how I'm going to do that? Name transaction, and I'm going to create field transaction ID, all of this checked, and I'm going to add another field, and that is going to be cashier ID, and this field is going to reference cashier table and cashier ID. Aha, now I see. When I finished with this referencing, I just have to click on another field and everything is going to be fine with this script. And now I'm going to click on OK, and finally I'm going to create this build table, but in much better way. So build is going to contain build ID, Of course, that is going to be primary key. And it's going to contain item that is sold, and I'm going to keep it as integer, and that item is going to reference item table and item ID. Okay, and now I'm going to create amount. It's going to be of type real. Okay, and finally I'm going to create transaction ID. Or better, transaction is going to be integer, and it's going to reference transaction table, transaction ID. You see?